Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee shop design. First, clearly define your target audience and brand identity. This foundation guides all subsequent design choices, from color schemes to seating arrangements. Next, consider the overall layout to ensure smooth customer flow and efficient staff operations. Finally, research local regulations and building codes early in your planning process. A well-planned layout is crucial for a successful coffee shop. Design distinct zones for ordering, customer seating, and beverage preparation to optimize workflow. Ensure there is adequate space for all essential equipment, such as a two-group espresso machine and grinders. Also, plan for comfortable seating options, including tables, bar stools, and lounge chairs, to accommodate diverse customer preferences. The right ambience makes customers want to stay. Choose a color palette and materials that truly reflect your brand's personality, whether it's cozy or modern. Thoughtfully incorporate lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, using a mix of natural and artificial sources. Additionally, select durable and easy-to-clean finishes for all high-traffic areas to maintain a fresh look. Essential equipment and thoughtful details complete your design. Invest in high-quality coffee equipment, including reliable espresso machines, grinders, and brewing devices, to ensure excellent beverage quality. Plan for sufficient power outlets and plumbing connections in all necessary areas. Finally, add personal touches like local artwork, unique signage, or comfortable cushions to make your space truly memorable and welcoming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.